I've lived at this property with my wife and our 3 kids since 1985. The house, the 1904, it's a BC Timber and Mills house, so the whole area in our neighborhood is a BC Heritage Conservation Area. We've probably put 3 roofs on it since we've owned it before we put on the aluminum roof. It's been a great home, but I got tired of replacing the roof because I did all the work myself. We eventually decided we'd go with an all-metal roof. The heritage purists didn't really like the idea of us putting an aluminum roof on a heritage home, but the roof looks so close to real cedar, it's hard to tell. And once we did put it on, we had reviews from the neighbors, everybody loved it. When people from all around New Westminster would come by and say, where'd you get it? What kind of styles? All that kind of stuff. So it turned out great. The guys did a great job because it has a bit of a bell shape on the roof. And one of our concerns was whether or not they could keep that shape with an aluminum roof. And yet they did an amazing job, and it's been awesome. We decided to go with Interlock. I mean, we did a lot of research. We were debating whether we should go with a steel roof or an aluminum roof. And so talking to the other companies and getting some quotes from them, they were priced the best. Their workers, the guys that did the work, they were amazing. And they were quick and they were clean. They worked clean. There wasn't debris and junk all over the place. And they were very professional and very conscientious about the work they were doing. So the crew that came were amazing. It was a little over a week and they were done. Of all the places we looked at, companies we looked at, Interlock for us was the best choice. As you can tell, I have a couple of vintage cars. The crows in the neighborhood, a lot of birds because we're right across the street from the park. The soft cedar, they love pecking at it. And they pecked a huge hole on top of the garage roof. And so that started to leak. They got up on the main roof of the house. There were signs that it was just a matter of time that we started getting leaks somewhere else. The roof on the garage was fairly new. Probably, well, it was 20 years old, if that. But it was time. So that made up our minds to go with the aluminum roof and never look back. The paint finish that's on the aluminum, it's almost like a powder-coated finish, so it's durable. It doesn't scratch, and the birds can't peck through it. Interlock, for us, was the best choice. The process, I originally thought that it was going to take a lot longer than what it did, especially because of the bell shape, the curve. Once I saw them putting it on and the speed that they were working, it was really, the whole job went really quickly. They came in with their crew, they set up their scaffolding. The other companies said they couldn't start within a month and a half. And they said, no, we'll come in and we'll start ASAP. And they did. 3 days later, the crew was here. They set up the scaffolding. They started removing a bunch of the roof. And it turned out great. Like, a lot of the neighbors were kind of skeptical. But there's a number of homes now in our neighborhood and in the West End that all have the same product. So it was a good choice. They completely tore all the old roofs off. Took all the plywood off, laid down new plywood. The actual trusses and all the support strapping was good, even though it's 120 some odd years old. The crew, they did a great job. They put the special membrane on top of the plywood and all the fancy stuff that goes with it, and it was fantastic. I would definitely install another aluminum roof again. I wish we had done it when we bought the house. I wouldn't have to replace 3 cedar roofs at 10 or 15,000 each time we did it, even though we did the work. And it was a lot of work. It wasn't easy. Yeah, I would do it from the get-go. And we looked at just a conventional shingle roof, which we could have had done for 15,000. Yeah, we could go to steel roofs, which would have been double that. But then again, after a number of years, they rust, and they look terrible. So the paint finish that's on the aluminum is like a powder-coated finish, so it's durable. And it doesn't scratch, and the birds can't peck through it. It's going to be more expensive, but in the long run, for the amount of money we've paid on 3 roofs over the years we've owned the house, 1 roof is guaranteed forever, a lifetime guarantee. And it does make the house way more attractive, and it is a great selling point when it comes time to sell the property. So the roof looks good, It's always clean, never has moss buildup. So that was a big selling feature for us.